The professional photography world is currently standing on the edge of a massive shift, and at the center of this storm is a camera that shouldn't even exist yet. For years, Nikon was the underdog, the legacy giant struggling to find its footing in the mirrorless revolution. Then came the Z9, a camera that didn't just compete, it redefined what a flagship could be by killing the mechanical shutter entirely. But as we move through 2026, the whispers from the supply chains in Japan and the closed-door meetings in Tokyo have turned into a roar. The Nikon Z9 II is no longer a maybe. It is a functional reality, and the specifications leaking out are enough to make even the most loyal Sony and Canon shooters question their allegiance. We are talking about a leap in processing power and sensor technology that effectively bridges the gap between full-frame agility and medium-format detail. The heart of this new beast is rumored to be a staggering 61.2 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. But it's not just about the resolution. The real magic lies in the dual-stream architecture that has been evolved to handle data rates we've never seen in a handheld device. Imagine capturing 14-bit RAW files at 60 frames per second without a single hint of rolling shutter or viewfinder blackout. This isn't just an incremental update. This is Nikon asserting dominance in an era where AI-driven autofocus is becoming the standard. The Z9 II is reportedly integrating a dedicated AI processing unit, a chip designed solely to predict subject movement before it even happens. Whether it's a Formula One car screaming around a corner or a bird of prey diving at terminal velocity, the Z9 II doesn't just follow the subject, it anticipates it. But why does this matter to you? Because the landscape of content creation is changing. We are moving into a world of 8K, 120p, and 12K internal recording. The Z9 II is leaked to feature InRAW 2.0, providing professional cinematographers with the kind of dynamic range and color science previously reserved for RED or RE systems costing $50,000. Nikon is aiming for the throat of the high-end cinema market, while keeping the ergonomics that photographers have trusted for decades. There's a specific ProStream mode being discussed that allows for real-time, low-latency 4K wireless broadcasting directly from the camera to the cloud, bypassing the need for expensive external encoders. This is the ultimate tool for the modern digital era. As we look closer at the body design, the leaks suggest a refined magnesium alloy chassis that is actually lighter than the original Z9 despite having a more robust thermal management system. Engineers have allegedly developed a passive-active cooling hybrid that allows for unlimited 8K recording even in high-temperature environments. The rear monitor is expected to be a 4-axis tilting OLED with a brightness level that rivals high-end external field monitors. This means no more squinting in the midday sun. The electronic viewfinder is also getting a massive overhaul, moving to a 9 million dot resolution with a 240 Hz refresh rate, making it indistinguishable from an optical prism. This is about total immersion. The industry is currently in a state of shock because the price point being whispered is surprisingly competitive. Nikon knows they have the momentum. By integrating the Z9 II into a workflow that features their rapidly expanding S-line glass, they're creating an ecosystem that is nearly impossible to leave. We are seeing the death of the spec war and the birth of the workflow war. The Z9 II isn't just a camera. It's a high-performance computer that happens to have a lens attached to it. The sheer computational power required to process 60 megapixels at these speeds is mind-blowing. And yet, the battery life is rumored to be improved by 20% thanks to a new Yin EL18E cell. For the professionals who have been waiting for the perfect camera, the wait might finally be over. The Z9 II represents the pinnacle of Japanese engineering, a tool designed to disappear in the hands of the creator, so only the vision remains. If these leaks regarding the global shutter-like performance and the 12K video capabilities hold true, the competition isn't just behind, they are in a different race entirely. This is the moment Nikon cements its legacy for the next decade. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the technical breakdown of the 2 nanometers processing architect. That makes all of this possible. The future of imaging isn't coming. It's already here and has a Nikon badge on the front.